Home prices remain fairly stable in Maryland, with some areas increasing in their selling prices. It's Friday, July 10th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro area, the suburban area, and in southern Maryland, homebuyer demand is slow overall this past week. Could be from the holiday and people taking their breaks, but we did notice online views soared Friday, July 3rd and Saturday, July 4th. Fewer properties came to the market this report, with 2,075 properties listed for sale at a median $419,000 list price. The number of coming soon properties rose this report by 23% at 1,638 properties, and that list price is $485,000 median. New contracts fell 15% this report to 1,435 properties, and the list price at the time of contract was $425,000, and these were listed a median 21 days before a seller received a contract. 1,082 properties sold in 17 days at a sold price of $465,000 list to sold ratio. This median sold price is consistent week over week. Active rentals rose to 3,344 properties, with the median lease price holding again this week at $2,600 per month. And over the past week, it's taking a median 24 days before a rental goes under lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 10th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.